हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ गजेंद्र सिंह। आज हम एक क्वेश्चन देखेंगे जो कि सर्विस नाउ का जो भी सर्विस नाउ के डेवलपर इंटरव्यू देते हैं वो क्वेश्चन हमेशा पूछा जाता है। ये सिनेरियो बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ अपनी स्क्रीन पे। मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे सॉल्व करते। क्वेश्चन क्या है अपना। और क्वेश्चन है, वी हैव टू क्लोज RITM request when all related SC task is closed, right? So we how to achieve this problem? We can achieve this problem by the business rule. Okay, so देखिए आप मेरी स्क्रीन पे। So we have to open the business rule. We have to open business rule. Okay, business rule comes under system definition. We have to write one business rule for that one. So we are writing that after business rule for that one. So we have to click on new button so that we can create a new business rule for that one. We have to give the name of that business rule like RITM closed. Uh, it take times. My internet is so slow. So now we have to select the table. So table is we are select the SC task. Click on the table. We have write the SC underscore task, and we have take the we have inserting like when we update the record at the time it will reflect. So we click on the update and we click on the advance so that we can decide that when this business will execute after, and we have write the condition on which condition it will take it will execute. So when state is closed, like state is closed and stay closed incomplete and skipped. So now we have to write the script for that one. So what we have to, we have write a script like where sc equals to new. Okay, I will write the script first, then I will tell you how this script is executed. Now we have to check that one. We have to go for that office. We are ordering the office. Sorry, software. My bad. This is the RITM. This is the RITM. Here you can see the state is open, right? So we have to check the related incident, related SCTASK. So first we have to close the SCTASK. Then it will automatically RITM is closed. So we have to check that close complete and update. We go for that one and we have to refresh that page. Now I think we have to close another RITM. So click on that one. So we have to close that SCTASK again, and we have to refresh that RITM page. I think it will open first again. So whatever SCTASK is open, that you have to close that one. One more SCTASK is open. Okay. Now you can see the RITM state is closed. Okay, now I will tell you the code for that one. So we have to just select the condition, like when the SCTASK is executed, when state is closed, complete, close, incomplete, and skip, right? So we have to write the script for that one. First, what we have to check. So we have to check that the current RITM, how many record is there. So with that help, we can find out that just like current 4 record is there. So we have count is 4, right? So it will take count as 4, and now we have to check that one, the whatever the RITM SCTASK is open, so that SCTASK state is closed or not. If the state is closed for 4 RITM, just like here you can see we have 4 SCTASK, and now state also closed for the 4 SCTASK, right? So we have to check that one. If the state is same, so then we have to update the RITM state, right? State is closed, and after that we have to update. So this is our code for that one.